Hi, it's Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today we're going to be doing a step one, and I'm putting down a spiral swipe in basically spring watercolors, and the whole point is going to be in preparation for a follow-on piece that will happen after this. So without any further ado, I'm going to get you down for the colors, and then we'll get started with the painting itself. Colors for today, starting with This Little Piggy pigments, is rosé. Started out as a powder, add a little Josonia varnish, and it became pink. Bellini is next. Harvest Gold. Lemon Sorbet. Night. Sea glass. These are golden paints. This is teal. And this is phthalo turquoise. Okay, my pillow paint's going down now. This is PPG Multi-Pro, and it's been my go-to pillow paint for some time now. Next down, this is the turquoise, the phthalo turquoise. And what I'm doing here is, there's no rhyme, no reason to how I put the paints down. The chaos is what I'm looking for. Once I have enough down that I feel like I've got a good coverage down there, a little bit of splatter, it'll help get the desired look I'm after. This is the teal. And all these paints are mixed with my pour medium in a 3-to-1 pour medium to paint ratio. If you're interested in learning how I do that, I have a 101 series of videos that you can watch to learn all of that. This is sea glass. As I said earlier, it started out as a dry pigment, and I added a little bit of Josonia varnish to loosen it up, wet the pigments, and then I added my pour medium the same way as I would with the paints. That splatter is a desired look for me. Okay, I've turned it the other way around, so it's going on the bias. And this is Prairie Night. I'm going for a spring type look. So I put my watercolors down first, and now I'm adding my spring foliage. This is Lemon Sorbet. The pouring medium I'm using today is my Vaspar Ultra High Gloss Space C and my Varathane Polyurethane mixture. This is Bellini. It's a beautiful orange with a little bit of undertow of pink. Here it looks mostly orange. In person it looks a lot more pink. And this is rosé, which is definitely a soft pink. This process takes a little bit of time, but the end product is very nice. Okay, pulled up my swiping tool. And this is Titanium White by Amsterdam, mixed with 3 parts of Australian Floetrol. What I'm going to do is I'm going to spread that across an even layer across the back of my swiping tool. I've done this video today real time. I haven't sped it up at all. Just to give you a taste of how slow the process is. I have cut out the dead time in between each portion of this. This is Harvest Gold, the TOP Deep Gold, and it's not done justice here. It's a beautiful, beautiful gold. Okay, I'm going to do a spiral swipe, and just starting from the center, getting it started, using the turner to spiral it out, so I get a nice even spiral most of the time. I'm just looking to spread that paint across to get more of a muted look with the colors, but I wanted them to mix. I got some beautiful cells right in the middle, and they develop more as we go on. Spinning took some time with this, and I did cut some of it out because it just is extremely monotonous to watch. I'm spinning and watching to see how it's spreading, and I cut a little bit of this out, and you're going to see that in just a second. There you go, because the spinning took probably close to 30 minutes. And I actually had to add some pillow paint to it to allow it for the flow to go over the side. It's time for the flyover. You notice that I did get some beautiful cells there in the middle, and I'm not unhappy with the general overall appearance of this. And I get some muddiness there on the right hand side, but that's perfect for what I'm going to do next. This is going to have an overlay put over the top of it, and it's going to have a stained glass look to the final product. If you haven't already had the chance to do so, I'd ask you to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and ring that bell for notifications of videos that I'll put out. It's my goal to put out at least 2 per week, and I'm hoping you're finding them both enjoyable and useful. I want to thank you very much for being here tonight, and I'll see you again soon. Bye now.